The dbest Products Trolley Dolly Cart feels surprisingly sturdy for such a lightweight platform cart, making it practical for hauling everything from moving boxes to office supplies without wobble. Its six-wheel layout distributes weight well and rolls smoothly over sidewalks, thresholds, and slightly uneven floors, which makes longer hauls much less tiring. The telescoping handle adjusts easily to different heights, so both shorter and taller users can pull or push the cart without hunching over. I find the foldable frame and collapsible platform especially useful because the cart stores flat in a closet or car trunk, yet unfolds quickly when you need it. The expandable toe plate and included bungee cords work together to keep bulky or awkward loads stable, so items like water jugs or stacked packages stay put in transit. Despite weighing only a few pounds, the cart is engineered to handle very heavy loads, which gives it an impressive strength-to-weight ratio for frequent household, office, or travel use.